The 2025 Dacia Sandero offers a compelling combination of affordability, practicality, and value. It's a budget-friendly hatchback that doesn't compromise on essential features and comfort. Exterior asterisk. Asterisk modern design asterisk the Sandero boasts a sleek and contemporary look with sharp lines and a stylish grille. Asterisk new colors asterisk the 2025 model introduces fresh color options, adding a touch of personality. Asterisk practical dimensions asterisk it's a compact car that's easy to maneuver and park, making it ideal for urban driving. Interior asterisk. Asterisk spacious cabin asterisk despite its compact exterior, the Sandero offers a surprisingly roomy interior with comfortable seating for 5 adults. Asterisk upgraded materials asterisk the interior materials have been improved, providing a more refined feel. Asterisk infotainment system asterisk the base model comes with a basic infotainment system, but higher trims offer larger touchscreens and smartphone connectivity. Performance asterisk. Asterisk efficient engines asterisk the Sandero is available with a range of efficient petrol and LPG engines, ensuring good fuel economy. Asterisk smooth handling asterisk the car handles well on the road, offering a comfortable and predictable driving experience. Safety asterisk. Asterisk enhanced safety features asterisk the Sandero comes equipped with a range of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and driver attention alert. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Dacia Sandero is a fantastic choice for those looking for a practical and affordable hatchback. It offers a good balance of features, comfort, and value, making it a strong contender in its class.